So I have another smoothie recipe for you today, pretty similar to the last two. This one's going to be a tropical smoothie, and it's only 4 ingredients this time. Yay! Here's Candle! Oh, did you hear that we're going to do treating? Oh, good morning, Zach.
Only in our house do we have to replace the door.
Milled brown flax seeds from Aldi, and I will put the amount down in the description, but I'm thinking I'll probably put about a tablespoon in. And the Evolve plant-based protein shake that I buy on Amazon. This is the vanilla flavor. The Orgain organic protein powder that I get on Amazon, that is also vanilla, and both those are vegan, gluten-free, soy-free, corn-free as well. And then here I have some mixed fruit, Great Value brand from Walmart. Pineapple, sliced strawberries, peaches, and mango. So that's going to go in there. You could also just do the same recipe with just strawberries for a strawberry shake, just peaches, or just mango for a peach or a mango shake. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Should make about the same amount as my last 2 smoothies, so it should be about 24 ounces. So yeah, I will show you when I'm done. Alright, so I am going to be putting in 2/3 of a cup of my fruit. Put in a little extra maybe. Smells really good. There we go. Chunk of mango. Seems like mostly pineapple in here. Actually, I can't really tell the difference in the bag between the pineapple and the mango. Oh well. So there is our fruit. I'll put in my tablespoon of flaxseed, which is 3 teaspoons. So 1, 2, 3 teaspoons makes up a tablespoon. Two scoops of protein powder. And our vanilla protein shake, the Evolve brand. Alright, there we go. And then I'm just going to scrape down the sides because all that powder likes to stick. So, kind of mix it in a little ahead of time. Give it a helping hand. And blend her up. So I have here my finished tropical smoothie, protein smoothie. 24 ounces. It's very good, very tropical, and as you can see, Gandalf is waiting so politely outside the kitchen, so I'm going to let him lick the spoon and the jar. Aren't you a good puppy? Okay. Here, you want to lick the spatula? Oh, isn't that a good treat? You love your smoothie. Here, you have to get the other side. No? You just want to stick your face in the blender jar? Here, Ballard, you want to lick? Alright, finish licking the bowl. Yeah, who doesn't love a good smoothie? Look, Bluebell even wants a little. Here, Bluebell. Don't know what to think about that? Alright, Gandalf, that's good. It'll help with cleaning it now, huh? Get most of that smoothie out of there, so let that soak for a minute and then wash it up.